To begin, we will explore Trimoterm Archicad start file. Let's open Archicad and attached Trimoterm start file in 3D view. Trimoterm Archicad library consists of 3 products: Trimoterm FTV, FTV HL, and SNV roof. To access all features and benefits of Trimoterm library, make sure all files are uploaded. Go to File, Libraries and Object, Library Manager. Here, the library is already loaded. But if not, go to Add and select Trimoterm TTV3 LCF file. Next, go to Window, Palettes, Favorites. Go to Import Export Favorites and open Trimoterm FTV Favorites. To load schedules, click on Settings, select CWFTV and click on Import Settings. In Schedules folder, select the XML files and import. Trimoterm panels, windows, doors, and system profiles are part of Curtain Walls tool. Let's select and open Curtain Wall Default Settings dialog. Facade orientation, modular width, and length are preset in grid pattern for your project. We can modify boundary, transom, mullion frames, main panel, and distinct panel type, etc. All elements available can be chosen from the drop-down menu. Let's define main panel. We can redefine the colors, as well as set other parameters like panel orientation, thickness, profiles, or substructure. Let's define distinct panel. Distinct panels are usually used for curtain wall windows and doors. We can redefine type, colors, as well as other parameters like opening direction. Main or distinct panel positions are set in scheme settings. Now, let's draw a new facade using the Trimoterm FTV panel. To demonstrate Favorites feature, let's draw a new facade using Trimoterm FTV panel curtain wall setup. To set desired Trimoterm wall arrangement, use the Trimoterm FTV favorites you imported earlier. The wall arrangement is changed automatically. Settings for FTV HL and SNV panels follow a similar process and will be covered in upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check the rest of the series.